If you find yourself creating the same task lists again and again, like packing lists, project checklists, or weekly routines, this one's for you. Apple Reminders actually lets you turn any list into a template. And once you do that, you'll save a ton of time. Let me show you how. Now on your Mac, in Reminders, just go to the Add List button, create a new list, and give it a name. I'm gonna name it 3-day packing list. You can choose a color and an icon of your liking. So in this case, I'm gonna choose the backpack to give it a nice visual touch as well. On the list type, I'm gonna stay with the standard one. So I'm gonna keep that and hit OK. So now it's time to add those actual reminders to this list. Go all the way to the top to the plus icon, hit it, and we're gonna add the first one, which will be I will need my backpack as well as my wallet, a passport should also help, and some jeans, socks, underwear, t-shirts, and my hoodie or some hoodies. Now I'm pretty happy with this list so far, so now I'm gonna save it as a template. Therefore, just come up to the menu, File, and choose Save as Template. I'm gonna stay with the name and just hit Save. So now this created list is saved as a template, and I can now actually delete this list and it will stay in the back as a template. So now let's say we want to create a packing list for a special trip to London next week. For this reason, I'm gonna create a new list. Next to the new list, you see the template section. There are 2 lists already in there because one I created before that video, and the second one is the 3-day packing list we just did together. So I'm gonna choose that one and create a list. And as you can see, it automatically gets all the items and also the naming of the template. To change the name, just right click on the list itself, hit rename, and now I'm gonna go for London trip for the weekend. And I can also change the icon. Let's go for something British, like that one. Okay. And as simple as that, we created a list out of a template we just created. If you love simple Apple productivity tips like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.